On this beautiful fall weekend, let us take time to tap in the joy of this magnificent season. As we see the leaves changing color, providing us with the beauty and the magic of nature. And then sadly, seeing them leave and fall to the ground until next year. So let's just put one hand over the other for a moment at the heart, and let's take a breath in and breathe out through that straw. And let go of any worries or concerns right for this few moments of self-care. And now we're going to come up right between the eyebrows, which is the beginning of the bladder meridian, working with our nervous system. And we're literally going to tap in joy to the nervous system. We're going to bring joy in. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to bring to mind someone special you love, an exciting event that you remember, or whatever it is that brings you joy. Your pet, your children, just coming up right between the eyebrows and tapping in joy. Bringing that to mind, whatever it is, keeping that in your mind and tapping in joy. So let's have you close your eyes to remove distractions from the outside world for this few moments. Bring to mind whatever it is that brings you special joy and pleasure in this world. And come up when you have that picture and that feeling, holding that, and come right up between the eyebrows. So I'm visioning my grandchildren in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and tapping in the joy of their very being. Breathing in, letting go. Stopping for a moment and just holding your joyful memory in your mind. With your eyes closed, outside distractions removed, keep holding on to those special memories, whatever pictures you've brought up or feelings that are joyful. Go back again and tap in the joy. We're reprogramming the nervous system for joy, letting go of fear, doubt, anxiety, all the things that have overwhelmed the world at this time. So we're retraining the nervous system by simply tapping in joy. And now come back, one hand over the other. Bring that joy, that memory, that individual, that special event down right into your heart center. And let it fill your heart. And from this place, taking time to express gratitude for whatever it is you've brought up to mind and tapped in to bring you joy. And let again that joyful feeling rest in your heart and expand the energy around you to fill you, your entire being, every cell of your body with joy. Breathing in, letting go. Holding the memory of the joy that you've brought to mind and tapped in right between the eyebrows, tapped into your nervous system. Breathing deeply, letting go. And again, filling your heart with this joyful memory and gratitude. Remembering that we cannot be in gratitude and fear at the same time. So again, bringing that joyful memory into the heart, expanding it, letting it fill every cell of your body with joy, and letting it expand around you, connecting in with all of nature around us and the beauty of this unique season of fall time. Again, just holding all of your being in love, honor, and reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior. And I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also want to thank you for joining me today. And I look forward to seeing you next weekend. Thanks.